Newalla is a small town on the southeast side of Oklahoma City, and it's close to Tinker Air Force Base. This particular home is located in a neighborhood of homes on 1 acre lots, and it's a 2017 build, consisting of nearly 2,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Along with a 3-car garage, it does feature a split floor plan and an extremely open kitchen. This home is all electric with an easy to clean cooktop. The kitchen also includes a walk-in pantry and single basin sink and an end cap cabinet for extra pantry space. The dining area looks out over the fenced backyard as well. I'm Marcie Billen, and I'm a real estate agent in the Oklahoma City Metro. Right off the door to the garage is the laundry room, and then the primary bedroom is on this side of the home as well, with 2 windows looking out over the backyard. The primary bathroom has 2 vanities and a split shower and tub with the closet located inside the bathroom. Moving to the other side of the home, this hallway includes 3 good-sized bedrooms and, of course, the hall bathroom. The floors here include carpet in the bedrooms, tile in the kitchen, hallways, and bathrooms. Other extras this home has include a full yard automatic sprinkler system, a black 4-foot chain link fence, a 16-foot by 8-foot shed, and concrete RV parking behind the fence. Do you have questions about this home? To schedule a showing or to see other homes like this, you can give me a call or an email. You'll find both of those in the description below.